What are the symptoms of worn engine mounts? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, we might call these motor mounts, engine mounts. There's also transmission mounts, or sometimes we could refer to them as drivetrain mounts. But another word for mount is isolator, because all engines have a certain vibration to them. And the mounts, which are pieces of rubber, cause us to not feel that vibration, to not experience it. So a couple of symptoms. One is when we're sitting at a stop, at idle, foot's on the brake, the car will tend to vibrate. Might be worse with the AC on, might be different in reverse as opposed to forward. Most of the time we see most rapid wear on front wheel drive vehicles. And so vibration is one of the symptoms. The other symptom is a clunking. And so when you go to accelerate, you might feel a thump or a clunk, and that can be drivetrain mounts as well. They are somewhat expensive. Be careful about cheap ones because they're rubber, and the composition of that rubber is very specific to that engine and that car. So imagine a rubber band versus a hockey puck. They're both rubber, but they have different elasticity. So you have to have the right rubber formula to make the vibration go away. It's an expensive job, but I got to tell you, tons of my clients are just amazed at how the car feels completely different once they put a fresh set of really high quality mounts in it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.